Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Um, and it's time for Quick Tip Tuesday, and 15 things are going on at once. It's really crazy. So it's time for quick task. One with no Velcro and no laminate. All you need is a muffin tin and some manipulatives like mini erasers, and you can do all sorts of things with this task. So this one is set up so that students have to count into the muffin tins. So I'm just using mini erasers that I had. You could use coins, you could use chips, tokens, any kind of little manipulatives. You could use little powder puffs, anything that you have. Um, and so in this one, they just have to put the number of items into each cell. So you could use a 12 muffin tin, you could use a 6. This is just easier to show you, easier to fit in the basket. So, and I could put them in order or out of order, however I want to do it. And the way that I've put these in here is actually with magnet tape. And you can get it pretty cheaply online at Amazon. This is Xyron, but there's other kinds that are even cheaper. This one I just happen to have in my big bin of things. And what I like about it is it makes it really easy to change these out. You could also just use regular tape. This just makes it less sticky. And I just cut it. These muffin tins happen to be like 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. And so I just took cardstock, wrote on it, and a Sharpie pen. And so the students have to take one, put one in, two, put one in, two in. So they only have the items in here that are going to fill this up. And so once all this is full, this will be empty. Now, you could also do lots of other different kinds of things. So for instance, you can do what I've done with this one, which is to put math problems in them. So the students have to actually add and put the right things in. So 2 plus 2, they have to put in 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now, obviously, they're going to be doing this flat. I'm holding this so that you can see it on the camera. But because it's flat, it's going to be really easy for them to put it into their bin, and it'll stay finished. And that's the advantage, too, of using the 6 muffin tin. And you can get them at dollar store really cheaply for $1. That allows them to put it in and it stays pretty flat in a bin, and that way it stays finished, which is always a good thing for a task. So there's tons of things that you could put in here. You could put different colors in here and have them put stuff by color. You could do all sorts of different kinds of things. But the great thing about it is it's easy to change up. It's easy to move these around if you're using the magnet or just tape. So it's not permanent. And so it makes it really easy for those kids who memorize. I have so many kids I've worked with over the years who would just go boom, 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 boom after they've done it once. And so I always needed stuff that I could switch up pretty easily. And this way, things didn't stay the same. So I'm always looking for that. I'm also always looking for tasks that I can do really quickly. And this is one that's really easy to throw together, stick in a box, and it's ready to go. So that is Quick Tip Tuesday. Next week, I'm actually going to be away, but I'm going to post a video that will come up for you next Tuesday with a new task. So thank you so much. Hi, Basha. Good to see you. If you have any questions, just drop a note in the comments, and have a good week. Bye, guys.